So I can control how far away or how close I want the sound. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka mr.dopestatus on Instagram, and welcome back to another video. Today we are back inside the machine, but we're going to be looking at Session Percussionist, which is Native Instruments' latest complete instrument that has just been released, and this thing is truly amazing. And when I say this thing is intelligent, it has a mind of its own. You can browse over 2,000 drum patterns and edit them with the step sequencer. Not only that, but you can add depth and dimension with intuitive sound controls. And today, I'm gonna be showing you some of my favorite features inside of Session Percussionist. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at Session Percussionist. When you pull it up, as you can see, it has a nice, soft, off-white user interface. So let me go ahead and show you what it can do here. Very expressive. And I'm using my Roland Phantom. I'm using the D-beam control. I'm using the modulation. And that, as you can see right here, controls it looks like the roll velocity. And that works for every note which is on a B, it looks like. So every octave on that B. And if you don't have the D-beam, that's okay. You can always use the modulation. But I like using the D-beam because it's really fun to use. So let's go back here to the main screen. You can see that it has the shakers here, a bassa. Then you have some cowbells. Go back here. Some clap patterns, some hand claps. So there's a lot of patterns that you can choose already through here. And then not only that, but you can edit them as well. So if I go down here to the editor, I can come in here and I can change things such as the articulation, the velocity, the timing, the flams, and they're all editable right here. So I can just take this and slide it up. And you can hear the different tones that it produces. Change the velocity. Also change the timing as well. But if you really want to change the timing over the overall track or the percussion, you can change the swing down here. And that just changes the whole swing. Again, change the flams. So if you hear it real carefully, you can hear how it changes. So let me go ahead and show you how I'm using it inside of the machine with my track here. So let me go ahead and play the beat. So that is just a little sample of what it sounds like with the beat, but there's so many patches, so let me go ahead and bring that up for you. So no matter what genre that you do, it has something to offer for everybody in here. So as you can hear, there are a ton of patterns to work with and presets that you can already dial in. I want to show you the mixer section here. And this thing is truly amazing, and let me show you why. Here I have the mixer screen, and this thing is completely powerful, from adding compression, EQ, reverb, and delay. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about here. So I can control how far away or how close I want the sound. So basically you're just controlling the placement. You can control the timing, the spread, by hitting this double button right here. Change the width here. I can also add my own reverb inside of the plugin here. Or I can add a delay. And you can do this for each and every instrument that you want to. So you have up to 5 that you can choose here. So you have this one here, 2, 3, 4, and then if you want to add another one, you can add another one. But right now I'm just focusing on the bongos. So as you can see, Session Percussionist is something that's going to add some production value to your tracks. And then not only that, but you can add some room compression to the whole thing. So say, for example, I want to take that and add some room compression. I could add it right here. In recording, a lot of times we use room mics. So that is pretty powerful there. So this is only a sneak peek of what Session Percussionist is all about. This thing does a lot more, and I hope you guys go and check it out. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below to where you can download it from the Native Instruments website. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka mr.dopestatus, for $99. Go hit that link in the description below, and it is yours today. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. We out.